Sarado pa ata, ma'am. Sarado.
Certain candlelight that never shone on me. Oh no! Who's I want my life to be? To live with you, live with you. Yeah, there's a way. And everybody say to do it should help a little thing. But what would I set free if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, yeah. You don't know what is life, baby. You don't know what is life. To love somebody, to love somebody, yeah, yeah, the way I love you. Yeah, yo, in my brain, yes, in my brain, I see you face again. Oh no! Friend of mine, you we got to be so blind. Yes, I'm blind. I am so truly blind. Yes, I'm a man. Yes, I'm a Rasta man. Can you see what
Hello, ma'am.
I am?
Ma'am, nandito na kasi ako sa school.
You. But what could I say to
Ano ba?
if I ain't got you?
Hindi kasi ang gulo po ng ano eh, ng location.
Got you.
Kami school yung party. Nakita mo?
School, smart kid.
Smarties po. Smarties.
Ah, bata.
You don't know what is life.
Ah,
Sa ano?
magulo pa yung location.
What is life?
Papunta na ulit ako doon, mabalik ako.
Love somebody,
Babalik ako pag nandun ako.
to love somebody. The way I
Nasa smarties na ako. Okay. Sarado pa ata, ma'am. Sarado. Kaya, nakalak pa eh. Ano po, ma'am? Oh, kantay pa ako. Ay, nako, dapat magkantay pa ako dito. Ang oras pa lang, oh.
baby, you don't know what is
Baka sana ako bubukas ka?
to love somebody,
May 11 pa?
to love somebody.
Eh, nagpabook ng Lalamove eh. Magkakantay pa ako. Ha? Ah, 11 daw eh.
Know what is life,
Magbihira yung nag-book. Magkakantay pa ako.
baby.
Ayan.
You don't know
Magkakantay pa ako, 11. Magkakantay pa ako ng 11 magbukas. Ay, hindi nila alam kung anong
to love somebody
biyahe. Pag nag-book,
the way I love.
pick up agad. Naligaw-ligaw na nga ako. Hindi maganda yung location. Yung location nila, ang gulo. Eh, ang baba naman na yung rate ng Lalamove. Hindi nila alam na mahalaga ang oras sa delivery. Babalikan na lang natin yan. Papunta na ako sa mawa nito.